Hi, welcome to Unique Designs. Today I'm going to share with you a great marketplace. As a designer, you must have a passive income. Every designer wants to sell their graphic resources to earn extra money. But this is not easy task to prove their design on those passive marketplaces like Graphic River and Creative Marketplace. But today I'm going to show you a marketplace where you can easily prove your design and easily earn passive income. The website is MasterBundles. MasterBundles offers to sell your assets here around the world. Your graphics assets can be sold in bundles on this website. You can also sold in one assets on this website. You can sell many types of graphics products on this website like icons, illustrations, patterns, logos, badges, textures, backgrounds, and lots of things. The most interesting fact is that you can sell various templates on this website. You can sell presentation templates, social media templates, mockups, printable, resumes, UI kits, and lots of things. By the way, this website has given every designer a big opportunity to sell their assets on their websites. As a logo designer, I'm going to show you the whole process to approve your logo design on this website. First, you need to sign up on this website. This is very easy. Everyone can do it with Google or Facebook account or randomly. After sign in, go to your account and then select add products. Now I will show you how to sell your logo on this website. So I have to design first a logo for this website. Let's design a logo. Select ellipse tool and draw an ellipse shape. Now double click on pencil tool. Select smooth here and click OK. Draw a curve shape here. Now go to window tab and select stroke. Increase its weight and select the profile as this one. Now go to object, then in path and select outline stroke. Drag this here and rotate it slightly. Press Alt and drag it to downward. It will make a copy of it. Now select all and click on Shape Builder tool. Press Alt and delete these black shapes. Now after this we will color our logo. Make its outline nil. Now select text tool and write text. I am selecting Open Sans bold here. Keep spacing to 100. Now adjust it. We will align the text with the logo. Now make group of it. Okay, finally I have designed the logo for uploading master bundles. The image of size need 1100 pixel into 1100 pixel. Select the resolution high. Now make a beautiful presentation of your logo. I just saved the logo JPEG and AI. After completing logo design, now time to upload it on MasterBundles. Carefully fill up the every requirements that MasterBundles want for your design. First give a relevant title for your design, then do other things step by step. After completing everything, submit to the MasterBundles. Okay, that's good. Your design is uploaded at MasterBundles. After reviewing your design, the MasterBundles authority approved your design on their websites. If you feel that you need some information or support, you can directly contact MasterBundles over phone and email. They will respond as soon as possible. You can get a $25 bonus for adding products to your store. You can read the requirements here. I suggested this website for those who have been trying for a long time to earn passive income. This website is very grateful to the beginners and the intermediate level designers. Thank you.